Hey, what's going on YouTube? How would you like a fully loaded Fire Stick, a complete entertainment center that's better than Kodi, better than some things out there, and definitely better than the default applications you get on your Fire Stick? Well, today I'm going to jailbreak, fully load your Fire Stick with the best applications for free movies, TV shows, sports, pay-per-views, and more. Follow along in this video and I'll guide you step by step. So here I am connected to the internet on my Fire Stick and I'm logged into the email account that Fire Stick requires when setting it up. So you could say it's like a fresh Fire Stick. I'm going to show you step by step. You can pause the video if you need to do some steps, don't worry, and then continue step by step. I'll show you how to get the most out of it. So the first step we have to do on our Fire Stick, you just want to go to the gear icon here, the settings, followed by My Fire TV. And as you notice, I have developer options. You may not have that, but it's okay. You just click on the About button here. You'll see your Fire Stick device name. For me, I'm using the 4K Max. This works on any Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick device. You're going to click on this about 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need. You are already a developer. But when you click it for the first time 8 times, it'll say now you are a developer. So when you click back on your Fire Stick, you should see developer options. Then click one more time back to go to the main menu here. Click one more time back to go to your main Fire Stick menu. So this is the first vital step. We have to do that. Once you're done that, we can proceed now to the next step. So the next step basically is going to the Find button here and going to the search option here and simply clicking into the search box. Let's click into it. And you want to search for downloader. You can either type it in or you can use the Alexa blue button on the remote and just try to say it. Downloader. I opted in for the Alexa voice search. And it should come up, orange icon, white icon like this, orange and white. It says downloader right on it. You're going to click on that icon and you're going to proceed by pressing the download button. Okay, it's going to queue it. It's going to download it. Once it downloads, we're not going to open it up yet. There's a couple of things we have to do and I'll guide you step by step. So don't press open, let it install. You get a nice notification here, but we're not going to open it. We're going to press the home button. We're going to go on to the main menu and first thing we're going to do now, once it installs, we'll go to settings again and My Fire TV, click on that. Then we're going to go to developer options. Remember, we enabled that in the first step. We're going to click on developer options. We're going to click on install unknown apps. And we're going to make sure that downloader tick is turned on, just like that to the on position. Okay. Once you do that, you can press the home button. There's another vital step we have to do before we get the full unlinked experience, the full store for all the applications. So what you want to do is go to Find, go to Search, click into Search, but this one we have to search for. It doesn't work well with Alexa. So we'll search for IP Vanish. Okay? And I'll explain everything in detail how this all is working now. Okay? So IP Vanish. Just like that, let's put IP Vanish, just like that, and then hit the search. What you're going to see a white and green icon here, IP Vanish. 94,000 reviews, 4 stars out of 5. You're going to click on IP Vanish, and you're going to click on the download button, okay? Now, what IP Vanish is going to do is going to give you access to unlink all the updates. Internet service providers are now blocking access to unlink and blocking access to some of these applications. To get these applications, you need to run a VPN. I recommend using IP Vanish. It works great. Unlink works incredibly well with IP Vanish, and you're going to be able to get the updates and apps. So to do that, just simply scan this barcode here or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment and description. Full transparency, there's a cost associated. It's a few dollars a month. It's a coffee at Starbucks per month. So a few dollars, less than $8 or $6, whatever it is you buy, depending on the plan you buy, but it's like a coffee per month. That's how much it costs. The cost is very minimal, okay? So once you download this, open it up and I'll show you how to set this up to work with the unlinked application to get all the apps. Basically, you'll need your own email and password to log in. And to get that, like I said, you can scan the barcode here with your iPhone or Android phone, or go to this bit.ly link here, also in the pinned comment description. It's a cup of coffee per month. That's how much it costs. You can use this on unlimited devices, Google Streamer, Google Chromecast, Fire Stick, Android phone, iOS, iPhones. You can use this all across the board, one account, unlimited devices in your household, one account, okay? So basically, you can pause the video to get set up for unlinked. So scan this barcode here. It'll take you to the landing page. or go to this bit link also in the pinned comment description. It's going to give you 70% off through my affiliate link and my relationship that I have IPVanish to bring you guys this discount. You're not going to find it anywhere else, only through my YouTube channel. So go to that landing page through these links. It's very important. Then you're going to save 70% off, a few bucks a month, and you're going to have full access to the unlinked application. So pause the video if you need to take care of that. I'm going to log into mine and I'll show you how to set this up for the unlinked application, okay? Once you log into the VPN, all you have to do is click the gear icon here. Connect on Android Startup. You want to tick that ticker to on position. Once you do that, click back. We're going to now go to the location button right there with your Fire Stick remote. Countries, and we're going to scroll all the way to the United States. United States, the best server that you can use. If you do get some issues and stuff like that, you can always change to other servers. Don't worry, you can choose other servers like UK, Germany, and others. But United States has been working good, so I'm going to click on the United States. I'm going to say favorite United States, and then it's going to put a yellow star on it. I'm going to click on it again and say connect to United States. This will pop up. You want to click the OK button on that, and it's going to flicker the screen, and now we're fully protected and secure. Now we can proceed to get the unlinked application, okay? So if you haven't taken care of that, please scan the barcode here or go to these links and take care of that, okay? Press the home button, and from the home screen, now we have IPVanish running. We're going to go to Downloader. We're going to open Downloader up for the first time. When you open it up for the first time, you press the OK button on here. Click one up here into this yellow box, highlight it, and put in the following URL. So we're going to put an unlinked. Unlinked.link is what you want to put in, okay? Once you do that, you just simply want to press the go button. Once you put an unlinked.link, let's press the go button, and it's going to take you to a website. You can see I can browse left to right, up and down. I can browse right here. So what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down until you see download APK Android, this thing right here. You're going to click on that. Okay, you can scroll with your D-pad, with your remote. It's going to pop up and it's going to download the unlinked application. When it downloads, we're going to install it, but please press the done button. Don't press the open button yet. Let's press the done button right there. Okay, when it's finished, press the delete and the delete button to delete the actual installation files. Okay, now once you do that, you'll see that I have now Downloader, IPVanish running, and unlinked. So now what I'm going to do is going to go to the settings again. We have to do this again. My Fire TV, and you see Downloader is on. We're going to click one back, because we want to go to the main menu here in settings, My Fire TV, my device. We want to now go back into developer options, install unknown apps, and we want to make sure unlinked is switched to the on position. Okay. Once we do that, we can press the home button. Now we're ready to start up the unlinked application. We can click on it to start it up. This screen will come up and it will look like this. Now, what you want to do, you want to press the new library button here. This will start blinking, and in here we can click into this blinking field and just put in Fire Stick lowercase. So let's put that in, Fire Stick all lowercase, okay? Let's do that. Fire Stick lowercase, and we're going to press the next button. Now, don't press anything yet. The screen will pop up and it'll tell you the best applications you can get. This will be blurred out on your screen if you're watching the video on YouTube. But when you're doing this at home, you'll see this actual screen. You can take out your phone, take a picture, and you'll know which applications are the best for live TV, for movies and TV shows, for sports. Everything is listed, and I always update this list every 2 weeks or every month just to give you guys the best update, okay? Once you take a picture of this, just simply press the enter button to enter my store. So I'm going to press the enter button to enter the store. Now I'm going to scroll to Fire Stick Tools. Once I'm there, I'm going to download Task Kill Fire Stick Virus Total. You don't have to download these apps. This is for presentation purposes. But if you scroll up and down, left to right, you can go to top movie categories, top pay-per-views, top sports categories. You can go to all those categories once you're in my store, up and down, left to right. For presentation purposes, I'm going to install these two apps just to show you how easy it is to install any other applications to fully load the Fire Stick. So you just click on the application you want, press the download button. What's going to happen is going to pop up and show you the kilobytes it's downloading. When it's finished downloading, you'll have the opportunity to press install app. This will come up. You press the install button. The screen will flicker and the app is installed. This is how easy it is. You pick another app, click on it, press the download, app will download, you press the install button, and the app is installed. Literally in 10 seconds, I installed 2 apps. So make sure you scroll up and down, left to right. I got over 70 applications in my store for free movies, TV shows, sports. All that content is available, okay? So up and down, left to right in my store. So I'm gonna hit the home button because this was just for presentation purposes, but you can go back into the Unlinked store, and as you can see, it will install the apps and they'll be all here. And that's pretty much, I can load any apps on, and I have categories, top 6 for movies, top 6 for sports. I have all those categories. Feel free to explore the Unlinked store, okay? So as you see, these apps show up here, and I'll show you here. I'll launch IPVanish, and I'll show you I was connected 4 minutes to IPVanish while getting this app. So it works really good with Unlinked. You're able to get the apps. You're going to stay completely anonymous, completely worry-free, headache-free, nothing blocked by your ISP, and able to get all the apps. So scan this barcode if you haven't already, or go to this bit.ly link here, and also in the pinned comment description. That's going to give you 70% off. It's going to give you unlimited devices through my affiliate link. It's going to give you the most content. It's a coffee per month. That's how much it costs. Like I say, a latte at Starbucks, that's how much it costs. I don't know how much a latte at Starbucks is, but it's got to be like $5-6 now in the States. I know in Canada it's like $6 or $7 now. So it's less than that, okay, per month. That's how much it is. And then it's going to keep you protected, full access to Unlinked, and full access to these apps and geoblock sports and content, okay? Take care of that if you haven't. So that's that. That's the whole setup. That's the whole jailbreak. That's a complete full media center. Works amazingly good. And if some apps don't show up here, I'll show you how to launch them. If Amazon blocks them for some reason, you can go to settings, go to applications, and from here you can also go to manage installed applications. And this will show you how much space you have. You can see I have 12 gigabytes left that I can install more apps. Okay. You can click on manage installed applications, and then you can launch them straight from here. For example, downloader, launch application. Okay, so I just installed that successfully. I've done a successful job at that. Very easy to do, as you can see. IPVanish is running Unlinked. You can come back at any time to get more applications and all the updates and things like that. Now, I might put a pin code on my store as people have been knocking off my content, so it's very important. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donations. I ask for your comment. Drop a comment below what city or town you're representing, or perhaps what's your favorite food, or perhaps what's your favorite sports team, or just say hi, checking in, what's up, whatever you want to say. Cats are friendly, dogs are nice, whatever you want to say. Because if I do put a pin lock on the store, I will provide in the comment section. I'll answer everybody with the code. So make sure you comment below if you want to continue to have updates and access to the Unlinked content. Just comment below below this exact video. That's all you need to do. I don't want donations. I don't want anything else. Just a comment from you. And it would be great if you hit the like button. You're just sitting back on your chair. It would be amazing if you just hit that like button. It will help me a lot. If you're feeling brave, share the content as well. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And also comment which apps are working, which are not. Just drop a comment below. Very also important point before I sign off here. Make sure you follow me on the X account. I'm active on X now. I'm posting a lot of stuff on there. You get a lot of updates on the X account if you're on X, which I think most of the world is now on X. A lot of people told me they didn't like Facebook. Therefore, I'm posting a lot of stuff on X, and I'll see you on X, and we'll continue the discussion there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.